I'm Maggie Daly, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. The IRS and Treasury published final regulations on direct payments under 6417 of certain energy credits and under Section 48D of the Advanced Manufacturing Credit. The final regulations apply to tax years ending on or after March 11th, 2024, but taxpayers generally may apply the final regulations to property placed in service after 2022 if they apply the entire regulations consistently. The IRS and Treasury also published proposed regulations addressing how tax-exempt entities participating in energy projects under a partnership structure may qualify to elect direct payment of any Section 6417 applicable credit. The proposed regulations would apply to tax years ending on or after publication of final regulations in the Federal Register. Direct payments are an important mechanism to fund energy and advanced manufacturing projects by monetizing the benefits of the credits, especially for tax-exempt entities that are not able to use credits to offset taxable income, but also for other taxpayers that may elect direct payment for certain credits. The Section 6417 and Section 48D proposed regulations required a direct payment election to be made on an original federal tax return by the extended due date. The final regulations permit taxpayers to correct numerical errors on an amended return or administrative adjustment. The final regulations provide 6 months late filing relief for taxpayers that failed to make the direct payment election on their returns, but only for taxpayers that file their returns by the unextended due date. Comments on the proposed regulations are due by May 10th, 2024, and a public hearing is scheduled for May 20th, 2024. Tax-exempt entities that engage in an energy project within a partnership structure should consider whether it would be beneficial to opt out of Subchapter K under Section 761A for that project under the 2024 proposed regulations and elect direct payments. Taxpayers impacted by the proposed regulations should consider submitting comments by May 20th, 2024. For more details, read the attached insight. Thanks for watching. This has been PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.